Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to another unboxing of another Vescari watch. Now I've unboxed Vescari watches before, link down below. And full transparency, Joran did send me this watch in exchange for a video and photos and such, but I try not to let that affect my final review that will be coming in a couple of weeks. Now the other boxing has changed since the last time I unboxed a Vescari watch, and I really like this new trend of these magnet boxes. They give a really nice and high quality feel. So let's flip it open and let's see what's inside. Here we have the watch, and Joran did send me all of the strap options. So there we have the watch itself. Let's put it to the side. What else do we have? Plenty of straps. Anything else? No, that's a really neat, nice packaging. Well done, Joran. So let's just quickly check out the straps before we open up the watch. We have a super nice suede strap. Yeah, that's really, really nice actually. Branded hardware. But nicely branded, look, that's it. A little Vescari logo up there. Soft, thick. Oftentimes straps you get with watches are like flimsy and thin. But this is nice and thick, quick release. We also have a really, really nice gray suede. This one I really like. Same quality, super soft. And finally, a padded leather strap, also kind of suede-y feeling. Also really, really soft. Now this watch won't be delivered with all of these options. I think you choose your option and so on. But thank you, Joran, for sending me options. And I'll do a fashion show on the review and on my Instagram plugged down below. But here, you're wanting to see this one, right? If you come here. The watch displayed is not for exhibition only. I guess it's a functioning watch. Oh, here we have... Stuck in there is, I guess, the warranty card. And filled in, and there we have Chestor, reverse panda, and such. Finally, a filled in warranty card. And even a bit of a protection. This is a really safe packaging. Never seen a watch package like this before. How do we have it with the plastic? Lots of plastic. Then we peel that off. And there we have the watch itself. That's really, really, really nice. Crown keeper protection thingy. Because this, of course, is a mecha quartz watch. And let's remove plastics and get right back. And here we go, final peel. And that's a nice watch. And I must say, with the plastic, after unboxing some quite a lot of Chinese watches lately, the AliExpress watches, it was a joy to peel the plastic of this watch. And that's a nice thick bracelet, but super well articulated. Now I know the polished middlings won't be to everyone's taste, but I really like them. Do we have screw pins or do we have... I do believe it's push pins, doesn't bother me. Oh, still some plastic here on that butterfly clasp. I'll remove that later, right? No, can I get it off? Here we go. And out of the Vescari watches I've handled so far, this is my favorite one. A reverse panda is always beautiful. Mecha quartz. Now Now, my grief with Vescari watches in the past have been that they've been too thick, but that's a really nice... I think Joran said this was the same case as the last one, but I think this is much better sweep, if I remember correctly. Do we have... Yeah, and it's even quick release on that bracelet. I can't remember that the other watches had quick release on the bracelet. Cool. Dimensions then. I think it's a 40mm watch. See if I remember correctly. Well, 39.9, but the case kind of slopes a bit, so I think the bottom side might be thinner. Oh, not thinner, but less diameter. Tricks the eyes a bit. Thickness, we have 13.7, so still quite a thick boy, especially for quartz. But quite a bit of that is that sapphire crystal. I think it's sapphire crystal. Or is it a sapphire coated one? Let's put it up here, which one it is. And finally, log to log, roughly 47.7. So this might wear well on my wrist, even though it's a 40mm watch actually. And that is a beauty. Really, really nice finishing. Some tiny hints of sharpness here, but not too bad. Really nice case back, actually. Screw in. Signed crown. So it's signed also with a little fold over on that deployment clasp. That's really nice. Down below, there is also a discount code. No affiliate code, only a discount code. So this already nicely priced Dutch watch is even more affordable. I really like these actually. And yeah, I know I'm biased towards a reverse panda, but beautiful. Let's put on my roughly 16.5, 17 centimeter wrist. Few links to spare if you have a larger wrist. And but that's actually not too... That wears nicely, doesn't it? That wears smaller. I don't know how the AR is on this watch, because it's quite a lot of reflections going on here. But also I'm surrounded by windows. It's bright, so... That's really nice. Actually, let's finally just put it on one of the straps, why don't we? My favorite, the suede one. I've seen too many pictures on Joran's Instagram not to. Let's check it out myself. Let's see what's up and what's down. There we go. This is always a pain to do on camera. And here we go. I'm always impressed by guys that does this on camera. Maybe I'm too fumbly. But that's a good looking combination. That's a really, really pretty combination. I'm digging that. I'm really gonna enjoy trying this watch out, testing it around. And soon, let's call it soon, a review will come. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, stay safe. Take care, and bye-bye.